Here at Mount Washington, we appreciate how special it is to learn to ski and snowboard. Each year we start off our season with a completely free lift ticket, lesson, and rental for ages 13 and up during our Learn to Ski Free Week. Knowing what to expect and preparing for your day will set you up for success on the snow. Always book ahead online or over the phone. Our guest services team is there to assist you with any of your questions. For your lesson day, dress to be outside in winter jacket, pants, gloves, toque, and goggles. But keep in mind, we will provide you with a helmet for your lesson. When you check in for your ski or snowboard lesson, follow the signs to the snow sports building. This is where the Rossignol Experience Center is, and it's where you're going to check in for your lesson, get your equipment, and get your lift tickets. Lockers are available for $1 to store your belongings, and we suggest taking a water break and a bathroom break before you start your lesson. Once you're all set, follow the signage and head outside towards the lesson meeting area. Get ready to learn some new skills and have a great time.
There you go.
When your day is done, return your gear back to where you started with our friendly rental team. They're waiting to hear about your awesome day on the snow. After your first time lesson, you're going to be eager to get back out on the snow again soon. Mount Washington offers a number of great return trip programs, including Rookie Year and Learn to Turn to continue your progression. We also offer great starter package equipment deals. We hope your trip kickstarts a lifelong passion for skiing or snowboarding. See you on the slopes.